is there? Huh? I said, who is there? Come, come. Baby. Where are you coming from? What is the meaning of this rubbish? Am I not father enough to tell you to come, and you come? And if I say stand there, you stand? Eh? Is something wrong with your head up, boy? Hmm? Now tell me, where are you coming from?
Is that your business?
Eh? Really?
See this man, I have told you time without number. Stop disturbing me.
Me stop disturbing you.
I don't have your time.
Grace! Grace does not have my time. But is she Grace any longer? No. She is Grace! Grace does not have my time this morning. Grace! You do not have my time. Grace, you said what? Grace, come. Grace!
We so much thank God there's a new development in our studies these days. You see, the corpus and the student teacher were discussing with me this morning in the office that they want to start taking you for extramural lessons, especially for those of you who are in JS3 and SS3 for your upcoming exams. Is that clear? Yes, sir! So please get ready. When you get home, tell your parents about it. Then it will be as from tomorrow by 3 p.m. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. The lesson will be going on. Is that clear? Yes, sir! All right, thank you. Go back to your classes.
I don't want to take on my house.
Oh, thank you, Jerry. Hey, Grace, since we came, we've not seen your father. What is up now?
I don't mind that useless man. What do you know? Waka come out in the morning, come back in the evening. They shout Grace, Grace, Grace. They gossip Grace. I don't want to leave that useless man.
Useless man? You call your father useless?
I dey go say. No, leave her. I'm mouth white passing her. Why she no go talk to me? She go talk now.
I beg, you don't do. Now this one call you can't do. I beg.
Why I no go vex? Me when come and pay useless, I don't know why I call her useless.
If you call her useless, what will you can't talk?
That one are your business.
Close una mouth, make person see road, I beg.
Not be that one they even do myself. You come visit you, not forgive me cigar, not forgive us.
I tire you.
When I talk say my papa useless, all of now they hear the open mouth. Drink one I keep for inside house, both cigar. I don't know how it's one. Whether that man don't smoke, me don't know.
But wait though, Grace. What you want tell us now be say you no go give us cigar even drink.
I return now what's happen.
Yeah. Me I don't understand you.
Anyway, I have gist.
Hey, gist.
How about tell us?
I and Copper John will be having fun tonight.
Oh my God! Tell me something.
Dad, so fast. Maybe he has been waiting for the opportunity.
And I'm ready to give him whatever I want.
Listen up, girls. Me, Vivian. I'll be going out with the richest guy.
Hey!
Now, wow.
In this village, sorry, my love. He's from the city.
City connection.
What's that one call me?
What's they doing? Are they pretty say your
Bam. I no want, I beg. I no want.
Why you call a para for me now? Which kind level be that one? I don't tell you, I don't want.
Ah, wow. Me, I'm not going to see one like that.
How you want to see when you lock yourself for inside house?
Not my father.
Now so, that is gay.
Babes. Now I never hear him. Now I'm not a guest in the visit you though.
Okay. Wait till you talk.
I said I'm not a guest in the visit you though.
Hi, I swear if I catch that girl, waiting behind me, if I catch her, I go beat her black and blue.
Now me go beat her pass.
Hi, that girl get mind. That girl gets mind.
I go kill her. You never see something. Now me go beat her pass.
That girl, it's like say you want me love kill her. I don't understand. Look at the sharp person which like that.
Now the love will kill her.
Love one.
The way these girls are parabolating this, I don't understand. The way they are parabolating is not my problem. Do you know my problem? The principal is not even doing anything about it. See, are you sure the principal is not afraid of them? Afraid of them? Why will he be afraid of those little watches? They are dangerous. Dangerous, my food. The principal has the right. She even has the right to expel them from this school. In fact, chase them away completely from this school. I mean,
We want to talk to Jude.
you can talk to me here and now.
Jude alone.
Guy, disappear from here.
I say run man, not slap you. Come on, move. You know the fear face.
You go to prove stubbornness.
Move.
It's not as I'm afraid.
Come
I
on.
don't want to disarm any
Run.
of you here.
Yeah,
Go.
Use them.
Hey.
Look at them, little watches.
Me and Alex talk around.
Me? What have I done? I don't understand.
You did nothing. Just that I love you.
Is that all?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't. I don't love you.
See, just give me a minute. I promise never to hurt you.
See, Vivian, I can't.
Can you imagine?
Another day.
Don't worry.
No, I don't understand. I don't just understand.
Yeah,
Go
relax.
catch another day.
Next time, day, relax. He just waka come dey round. Don't worry.
Listen. When did you start beating trouble? Why did you join your fellow students to beat up your teacher?
Papa, I'm not a monk. Oh. I did not join them to beat her up. I'm not a monk.
I'm not among you. But your name is on their list. Huh? Let this be the first and the last time that I will hear that you are involved in such nonsense. Are you hearing me?
Okay, Papa. Oh, Papa, you know I'm a good girl. I can't do such a thing. I'm a good girl.
I'm a good girl. Well, let me believe that you are still a good girl.
Hey, Papa.
I'll finish cooking.
Yes, Papa.
One minute.
Grace! Where is Grace? Grace! What is wrong with you? What did that poor teacher do to you that made you to fight him? You and your friend. Why did you fight a poor teacher? What did he do? A teacher that teaches the children. Oh, you cannot answer the question?
Who told you?
Who will not tell me? Who will not tell me when it is roving all over the community that Okafor's daughter fought a teacher and beat him up? You and your friend. Why? So you have actually carried that manner of yours from your home down to the community. Eh?
Instead of you to look for what to do, You'll be going around gossiping Grace. Am I the cause of your poverty? Eh? How is it my fault that you are poor? In fact, that is who you are. I look for what to do to help your poor life. If anything should happen to me, I will make sure I hold you responsible. I will hold you responsible. Look at how poverty is smelling all over him. Every day, Grace did this, Grace did that. What is it? Am I the only person in this village? Instead of you to look for what to do to your poor life, and you are here shouting Grace.
Grace, you have always been a good daughter to me. Please, I want to say that I am a human. I can make mistakes. And so to err is human, and to forgive is divine. I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me if I have wronged you. You are my daughter, and I cannot kneel down for you. I would have done that. Forgive me. Forgive me. Mama, are you hearing me? Please.
Why are you begging me? Asshole, I don't understand.
But you are my daughter and I am your father.
Father! My father is dead. My father and my mother died the same day.
No. I have told you too that your father is alive and that is me. Why are you wishing me dead?
I'm not wishing you dead, but are you alive?
I am alive.
Alive? A man who cannot pay his daughter's school fees, who cannot buy his daughter's books, who cannot even be able to change his daughter's uniform. You were unable to pay Mama's hospital bill. Now Mama is dead, and you're here saying you're my father. My father and my mother are dead, and they died the same day.
Am I living here? Poverty knocks at my door every time, morning, afternoon, night. What life am I living?
Everywhere just got silent, like see the pursue. Mama Mary, now there you dey. Customer. Hey, how you doing now? See the way you come find like all those Nigerian people where they do film. Hi, customer, the customer.
You remember my store today?
Yeah, I said make I just come, I just the. Now say make I reach it. Go sit down first now. Hey, Mama Mary.
Oh, you can't remember my store now. I something carry you come.
Something must carry person because the toe does not work in the door.
I know.
Asabako master, cause abeg give me one groundnut first, make my mouth they run up and down like all those. Package, just dey fine like wish.
How you spend money? No credit.
You know now.
Credit not there to you. I'm not there for that.
Hey, Mama Mary, you too much. You
said you two call my name. Wait here.
I go call her. Hey. How you doing now?
I do.
Mama Mary, you know you asked me before, say, Eda na salty carry me come. Mama Mary, my pa die.
Hey, so you dey sick before?
Forget about that one. He died. And they say the coffee they won't buy. Now tomorrow they won't bury him. The coffee now 50,000. You know, say they say some senior boy they useless.
But I don't resemble who cry for the party.
I don't cry. They don't console me. See, they console me. See that. See, as I they come, they console me. If you see console, plenty people they console me. He died. See, as I they talk, no worry. I go later cry, but no be now. I just need 5,000. They support me. They not count me to join those useless senior picking. I beg 5,000. I go give you tomorrow. No worry. I go give you
5,000.
Now 5,000.
Tomorrow.
I go see. I go even invite you for the burial tomorrow. They go spray me money now. I go pay you.
Make my money not pass tomorrow.
No worry. I go bring the invitation card.
Make you not pass tomorrow.
I go pay you.
If you pass tomorrow, not
Mama Mary, I go pay you now. I go pay you.
Sit down,
I go pay you. Hey, Mama Mary, Mama Mary. Hey. Hi, Mama Mary. Mama Mary.
This one na 5,000. Make this money so not pass tomorrow.
I go pay you.
Make you not pass.
I go pay you. Hey, Mama Mary, Mama Mary. Hey. Hey, Mama Mary, incomplete.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I go pay you.
No,
hey, you too much.
I'll come the burial.
No worry, I go bring the invitation card for you tomorrow.
Okay, go
my father. See, I go pay you.
Now cry again. So bye bye.
I beg, let me greet Mary.
No, wahala, you go hear your greeting. Wow. Anyway, since you came into this school, you have been monitoring your movement. What is your name?
My name is Mary.
Oh, that is great. Anyway, since you come into this school, I've been monitoring your movement, and we like you.
Absolutely.
So that's really nice. We want you to be our friend. Our friend, don't choose us. We choose our friend.
So, what do you say?
See you guys there. You guys are my friend already.
Nice. Well, in this school, don't worry. We are going to protect you very, very well. I'm Lizzie baby, so don't worry about anything, okay?
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Anyway, I think there's teacher in the class. Come, run along.
Alright, bye-bye.
I believe she's a I'm sure she's a virgin.
That girl.
You know, there is me the run this thing. I go catch you. I go catch you. I go catch you. I go catch you. It's not going to catch you. I know. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey. You make him bidi. And you come far like all those on the Chamamu water river. You not see your body, everything. What you use that Kim? Baby, make I tell you, you see this original flower when I bring, Fuck, I beg God. I beg. I God come give me this one. Come say, make I give you as my love baby. I all those people they call me. See, baby, you go marry me. Yes. You go marry me. Baby, take this thing. Baby, you too fine. You do it. See everywhere. You baby, come. Hey, you go finish me. See chest. See everywhere. Baby, you too much. You too much. You are on a gabi. I go catch you now, baby. I go catch you, baby. You too much. In fact, you just be like say God carry you, can't bless me. See beauty, see chest. See, look at you, baby. You know what you go do? Just kiss me. You understand? I go close my eye, you go come do that kind of thing. My mind will come in, like cool, Bessie. You understand that kind of thing?
Close your eyes.
Make her close it.
Close your eyes.
Make her close it.
Sleeping.
Wait.
My money. Where is my money?
Baby.
Open eye. Where is my money?
I know. Now you.
Do I look like your baby?
No. See you. Get away. See better dream what they do now. Get away.
Shut up.
Wait.
My money.
That get away. Be say I don't spend my money for they give her money every day. Only today when I get charged just to kiss her now. See how you come wake me up.
You are very stupid.
I know.
Give my money.
Your money. Again now wait. I go give.
Yes.
Oh yeah, wait.
Now.
Wait.
Now.
Wait, ma, give you not your money.
Bring it now.
Don't let her go touch that.
Bring it out.
Hey, baby.
The money you borrowed since 2 weeks.
Customer.
Since 2 weeks, I've been searching for you around. I did not see.
Don't let her touch this thing.
Today is your birthday.
I don't know. Now here we now.
Okay.
Hey, why you carry your barrier come? Now just carry your wings, can't distract my sleep.
Thank you, my money.
Now me the money. Wait first, leave me first.
No, you are paying it now.
See, the money it is. Wait first.
Now, don't waste 5 minutes. So.
Are they grace? Hey. Not boy for your sister.
You know how to operate, don't know how to operate. Okay, you are running, eh? Don't worry. I'm going to get you next time. Stupid boy. Useless, nonsense. Foolish boy. Don't worry, I'm going to get you.
Where are you coming from? Beg me, Mama, drop the food first. And you cannot even take the food from me. I should drop it. Mama, look at me. I will drop it. No problem. Mama, I get gist. I get gist, correct? I can see. This one, you are mamaing me. If you see that, I see that. Hey, Mama, if you see this guy, everywhere soft. Everywhere soft. My daughter. That guy is soft. You mean it? Say, that guy is soft. Bring something. Inside. 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 Oh. That one should be special. Oh. Yeah. Nice. My daughter.
What is wrong? See, love is not by force. You know, I love Amaka and that is final and nothing will change it.
See, you need to warn Amaka on how she relates or even talks with those girls. Those girls are evil, they are dangerous.
But I think you have a point.
Because I don't think there's any big deal here. Just tell Vivian you don't love her. And that's fine now. Then focus on Amaka, whom you love.
You have a point. But she's proven dead. This is the end of a girl. She said she's going to fight for what belongs to her.
Vivian or no Vivian, I don't care to know who she is. Just focus on Amaka. Amaka is who you love.
I know. I'm trying to understand.
Take Vivian out of your mind. She's not a problem. You know what? You have to talk to Amaka. She's the main thing. You talk to her, make her understand things. She's the one you love. And go for it.
You have a point here.
Let Vivian go to her. Who is she?
I have to do something about it.
Okay, where is she now?
I don't know yet. Let's go to her flat.
Okay, let's go. So, I have to talk to her.
You know, say, on our way, woman, from now enter his man like this to collect something from another good prison. I don't say this way they call me like this now something you won't ask.
Akpako baby. If I don't ask you, now who I go ask?
Hey. Okay, what be that way you won't ask?
First of all, buy me drink first. First buy me drink.
You want drink?
I want
You want drink? Hey, man, you too much. You know, I tell that the way they come here, they either they scatter my brain. Anytime you come, my heart will do something. Madam, bring Percy there and bread.
Hey, you want to chaka inside? Hey, Bako master.
Hey. Give her. Hey. Bring her, make her open up for you. Hey, I know they like when my baby stress herself too much. Hey, make her meet up for you, don't worry. Hey.
You know that?
No, doctor say man no dey drink Percy and bread because it dey cause malaria attack what mama. I no dey drink. Madam, bring pure water for me.
Pure water you want drink?
Na pure water, na doctor say man dey drink. Yes. Hey, thank you.
So might finish everything.
Finish am. Hey. You the drinker. You dey enter your belly. Drink. I love the
Master.
eat bread. Hey. You dey eat am, baby, you too much.
Hey.
Hey, make I drink water. Hey, this water cool. We be like mortuary standard.
So you can't reach mortuary standard?
He go enter my medulla. Hey, drink, Percy. Drink. Me, I dey drink water.
Okay.
If I drink now, you go see malaria attack for a fever. I go just dey everywhere for my body. You dey drink am again. Hey, you dey enter your belly. You dey enter. Baby, eat bread.
Uncle Master. Correct guy.
Hey,
if I don't love you, waiting again.
Thunder go fire devil.
Hey. If I don't love you, now waiting again. Apako, I too love you.
Thank you. Do am again. You dey touch me for everywhere. Hey, make I drink pure water. Baby, just let them go. You know those girls are very dangerous.
Dangerous, my foot. I've told you, leave everything for me. I know how to handle it by myself.
I know. I'm doing this thing just because of your sake. I don't want you to be hurt.
Just let me be, okay? I know how to do this on my own.
I understand. Amaka, just because of your sake, I don't want you to be hurt. Amaka, those girls are dangerous. Amaka. But Amaka.
But what? Just let me be, please.
No problem, let me be gone.
Every time does it, just let me be. I know how to handle this on my own. Eh?
What's her name, self? Vivian.
Sam, we not going to too much matter for you.
Tell them.
Is that your friend there? I know Vivian. I don't even know. I don't want to know. We should take it there. See what I all of now, we don't speak. Hey!
For guys say we did school here. We go show now.
It's not better for now. It's not better for you. It's not better for you. Now me listen, now they tell me. Now me not the one. Leave my boyfriend for you. Now me listen, baby. Una don't want. Now wait. But now Lizzie Bell, now Lisa do. Me I no want no. These people want to be out to please, you should leave my boyfriend alone. Please.
What will be that your boyfriend?
Jude, now that fine guy. What's wrong with
Give and chop. Come on,
I don't see people.
This guy never see. I never see. I will say this right there. I will say this on my head. But what do you now? This one you gonna do. This girl go free. Don't worry.
It's not go better for you when they insult me.
your parole. I go arrange am. I go arrange your matter.
I want you not to fight those girls. Now see what they did to you. But why did you go to fight them in the first place?
I wonder how.
Why all these blames? I didn't go there to fight with them. Rather, I went there to tell them that they should stay away from my boyfriend.
Then you came back with this. They almost killed you.
I warned you. Those girls are dangerous.
See, you shouldn't have gone there for fight in the first place. You should have allowed Jude here to handle it himself.
I told her.
Okay, I'll leave everything for you to handle this.
Better.
This is what you should have done long ago. You should have allowed him to handle this in his own way.
Sorry, though.
Those guys won't mess up with me.
Ilehio.
Sorry, let me see.
But those girls are heartless.
I'm telling you, very dangerous. Have you taken drugs now?
Yes, my only brought me some drugs.
In fact, only one let those guys say,
They are dangerous.
Anyway, actually, Miss Susan, we are coming to pay you a visit.
A visit? What is it?
We are your students and it's our right to pay you a visit.
I didn't despise the fact.
Auntie, I beg, if you break the Oyibo, we don't understand and not be all of us they hear the English. I'm confused.
Anyway, we your students has come together and said that the way you teach us, the way you advise us, even your movement, everything is so awesome. So we just come together and said that we should pay you a visit and say thank you with just a little token. This is money, 10K. And you know we didn't write your test, so we are saying that you should help us know how to do it. You not be apprentice again, you know how to do it, so just help us out.
Wait, are you both trying to bribe me?
This one not be bribe. I said may you break the Oyibo. This one not be bribe. We just tell you hold on. We appreciate what you do
You
for
pass
us.
through this level. You're supposed to understand now. At least you pass through all this our level. What do you call the form safe?
Now I understand. Have you even forgotten when I told you that not everyone that will be in the class that will pass, right?
Now bad thing say we come visit.
Yeah, not even hear the English.
You didn't
See, I tell you. Now we say because we can't see you, make you come insult us.
die.
Besides, no be instead when you go the happy side, they give you 10K. Now you follow us welcome.
Now, the way I'm saying you people, just get out. Get out, I said.
I never see who they give shit. They say that it's a live better pass. So go you back. No, they go. Now you follow us want the money.
You know that they want the whole
Get out, please.
Since you say you don't want the money.
Get out of this.
You know you happy side. Now you even know.
Get out. Foolish girls. What's wrong? Can you imagine those girls? They came in to bribe me.
Those girls?
Yes. They came in to bribe me so they can pass their test.
With how much?
They brought in 10,000 naira.
Well, so where's the money?
Are you being serious right now? Like you really want me to collect the bribe from them? You know I can't do that.
At least you should have collected the money from them.
Jeez. You want me to collect the money from them?
Can't you see the weather? We need money here. This is a nice opportunity. Oh, everybody's just sharing here. You have an opportunity to collect money.
Isn't that cup and sink and they teach? And I know say you know they.
You see they talk about that one. I know they.
I don't even understand what she teach. This test when she even talk about, I don't know how to use right hand because everything she told us.
Easy.
Good afternoon, sir. Papa. Yes, Papa.
I'm going to see my friend.
Okay, Papa.
Make sure you prepare food before I come back. You know, I didn't want to disturb your friends.
Okay,
that's why I
thank you, sir.
Please try, huh?
Okay, Papa. Trust me.
Bye-bye, sir.
Papa, go well.
Okay.
That is scared. Close your mouth. No wonder she is shining. Everything I told my papa like me, eh? I don't catch you today. I don't catch you today. Did you say you go wrong?
Leave my shirt. Which money?
Okay, what's it that one? Hey, babe. Now this guy, now they tell you say you don't want to do this. But come. So now you be the boy when they want. Let me say, you there too. If I say, baby, open our way. No, it will sweet you. Tell it. Nah, pay you not going to pay me. You go pay the money. You must pay me today.
See. Yeah. No, be honest.
Okay, now. Okay.
It's sweet me, it's sweeter. So I don't need to pay anybody.
You say what thing? You go pay the money today, oh.
I not pay anything.
My daughter. What is the problem?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is the problem?
Please, oh, Papa. This guy here.
He's owing you?
Yes.
My son, she said that you are owing her. Is it true?
I'm not owing her anything. I'm not owing her.
My daughter, he said that he's not owing you. Okay, what did you sell for him?
God bless you, sir. God bless you. Wait till I follow you back. Wait till I buy from you.
Papa, me, I don't understand. Now, like this, they settle issue. I beg you. See, okay? We not call you for here. Just waka your own, they go. Before you go say small picking insult you, imagine, no. Just they go before I go push you, they go. They go. You go give me money, give me money. Okay, they go now. Give her money.
See, all those things when I just do, now they play. Because me, I not go pay.
Okay, now let's try.
I not there for all this one when I do.
They go now. They go. Okay, they go.
Are these ones not Lizzie's friends? Hey, Lizzie!
Pay anything. You know sweet.
Eh?
Okay, now.
You know
Lizzie,
sweet.
my daughter.
Okay.
Where we going? You know sweet.
Show me and you start.
Lizzie! Lizzie! Lizzie!
Papa, are you back?
You're asking me that. Who are those girls that visited?
Oh, Papa, they are my friends.
Are your friends?
Yes, Papa.
What is my daughter? I want to warn you for the very last time. I don't want to see the feet of those girls in my house again. Their foot must not touch here. Are you hearing me? Neither do I want to see you anywhere with them. Anywhere. Have you heard me?
Yes, Papa. I've heard you.
Hey. What am I going to do? Go open the back door for me. I want to check something.
Okay, Papa.
Go open the back door for me.
What did Grace and Vivian do to my father to make him so angry?
It's because I love you. I like you. I want us to be living together. Even you can come to stay with me in the house. I'm telling you, you love me, you like me, and you want us to be moving together. Anyway, I'll think about it. But now I'm going to somewhere.
Okay, but you know what to give you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
What is that?
So this is how you are going to treat Vivian case, right?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Anyway, Jude, I know you want to kill me, right? You want to kill me.
Kill you herself.
You are such a useless guy. You are very, very useless. So you went ahead and kissed Vivian.
I did not kiss her. She
Not
forced
kissed her.
me.
She forced you.
Yes.
You are so useless. Because I pray not to meet anyone like you in my life. Not at all. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Amaka. Hi. I'm in trouble. Hey.
Can you please stop crying? Please, Jude cannot do that kind of thing. Stop crying.
Amaka, please stop this now. Stop this.
Jude loves you. He can never cheat on you.
You don't know how I feel. Babe, I know how I feel. I understand the pain you're going through.
Stop crying.
Stop this now.
Stop crying, please.
I don't believe that Jude can do this to me. Why not be
It's a lie.
Do you know how dangerous those See, babe, wait. If any other thing can deceive me, picture will not deceive me. But you know, think of it.
Babe, I understand.
You don't know how it hurts me. I know how you feel.
That is not your Jude. I swear, it's not your Jude. They forced him.
Even if they forced him, because of the love, he will just deny everything. Are you giving up on him?
Stop crying, please.
Are you giving up?
We are here for you, even if...
Leave me alone! Leave me out to be alone! Don't tell me you are giving up on him! Don't tell me you are giving up on the love you guys share. It's okay.
It's okay, stop crying.
It's okay
Stop
now,
crying. I know how you feel. Stop
All I
crying.
do to make him happy.
Stop
It's
crying.
okay, it's okay. Let's just fair confirming him before giving up, please. I will talk to him myself.
You see? You have a good stature. You need to enjoy yourself. You need to enjoy yourself. I did not enjoy myself enough before I got married to your father. Hey! Oh! Ah! My dear, those coppers in your school, child, they have money. Don't look at them that they don't have money. They have money, but don't give them that thing, you know. If you have to give it out in any condition at all, should be what?
Money. Mama, you born me.
Good money. And nice style that they will never forget you, Nolly. So that you take me out of this house that your father built. This house, eh?
Mama, I gave this money to go for my job. Mama, if you see that paper, hey, Mama, everywhere, you see.
Oh, my daughter, enough. Enough. Don't allow me to be having that feelings of, You understand now? You want me to, You know I like fresh.
See, anybody wants to eat here, I will kill her.
Including me, your mother.
No, not be say, Mama, not be say I go keep but I don't slap, I don't cook anything.
Now so you talk am.
No, not be say.
That's the help you taste now. Anytime come my side now.
Because it hurts me seeing you going out with guys. Baby, I don't enjoy this relationship. Stop cheating on me. Just ask for anything. I will provide it for you. Are you serious? Yes. Okay, you know what? I will get you a little phone.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. All I want from you is just for you to be mine alone.
Okay.
Fine.
Grace, oh. Grace!
Sir?
Come. I am your father. And I mean so well for you. Grace, I want to ask this question, and you just have to answer me. Grace, is this how you are going to live your life? Is this how you are going to live your life, to jump from one house to another, from one man to another man? Today is for Paul. Tomorrow is for Anthony. Day after tomorrow is for Wezinekwe. And the other day is for Pius. Why have you decided not to respect that thing in between your thighs and keep it holy? Why? I want you to answer this question. Eh?
Why are you asking me all this question?
Because you're my daughter. And I want life to be meaningful to you. That's why I asked.
And you are who to me?
I'm your father, of course.
Father! Let me tell you, my father is dead.
How can you say I am dead? I am alive. It's your mother that is dead. I don't know what you're... No, excuse me. Are you talking to a ghost? Eh?
Can I ask you a question?
Go on. Ask your question.
Are you alive?
If I'm alive, you want me dead? Do you want to kill me? Mbano, it will never work. I am alive.
See, I don't have time for this talk, okay?
Ah.
All I know is that my father and my mother are dead, and they died the same day. I'm going outside.
This girl has been wanting to be dead. I'm alive. I'm not dead. Grace! 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 I know this girl wants me dead. No. Poverty. Poverty.
Amaka.
What is it?
Amaka, please try listening to me. Listen to me, please.
I think you are tired of this relationship. Ever since you have been dating Vivian.
I'm not dating Vivian.
Anyway, I don't have time for you.
Amaka, please. Amaka. Hi. What's all this? I'm actually coming to your house. See, you have to tell her the truth.
Truth about what? Are you okay?
I'm not okay. See, losing Amaka right now is enough for me to be mad. I'm sick. Can't you get me?
You better get your sense back. Let me tell you. You, Jude, you are my boyfriend, and there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Hi. Vivian, see, let me tell you. I hate everything about you. I don't love you. Can't you understand? I hate you. Leave me alone. Stop. I said leave me alone.
Favor.
Yes.
I know this visit to you is not surprising. Maybe because you have been expecting us.
Yeah.
You see, what happened was a coincidence, not intentional.
How will you tell me that it's a coincidence when everything in the picture was real?
The picture there is just something that will make the story complicated.
You're very funny, you know. The picture shows that he did everything.
I know my friend very well. He can't do it. You know, your sister's life was on the line. That was why he had to do what he did. Just to save your sister and the love they have together. Those girls, they are very dangerous. Who be where they are so. They are capable of doing anything. And if he didn't kiss, your friend's life would have been involved. Your friend is in love with my friend here. And he's in love with your friend.
Is this for real?
You know, I did what I did because of her. You know, those girls are very dangerous. It's just because of her. If I didn't kiss her, by now, I don't know what might have happened. Those girls are dangerous.
But you know that Amaka loves you.
I know. That is why I did what I did.
I just pray she forgives you because I know that Amaka truly loves you.
And that is why we are here. I know you can do it for us.
How?
You can convince her. Please talk to her.
You guys are very funny. See, she saw those pictures. And I don't know what to tell her.
See, please, you just have to understand. This is what happened. Exactly what happened. That is what happened.
Fine. I will talk to her. Though I know Amaka really loves you.
When you get your name now.
Believe she will forgive you.
Please.
She will, definitely.
Please do your best.
What are friends for? I will do my best.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
I know. Okay, now we have to go on our way now.
Thanks once again.
Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay,
alright, thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I'm happy you enjoy it.
See, this one. You nearly killed me. See.
I'm only doing what I know how to do best.
See, you want to hear the surprise? With this, and the thing is what I'm giving you A1. I can even tell my friend to give you A1 too. With this thing.
Maybe next time. You say you enjoy more.
See, don't tell me you're going. I would like to have you more if you don't.
Oh, I have to go now before that couples will not come out and see me, okay? Okay?
Babe, we have to go.
Not today. Okay? Next time, I promise.
Alright.
You like gist. Why I not like gist?
You like gist.
You know me now.
Ashire.
I better tell me.
I better go. She you know that my city guy. I'm going out with him tonight.
Hey!
Nah, what for these people?
Betty me that.
Wait. Vivi baby. Wait oh. You be like say you don't build house for that guy head.
No talk.
Hey!
You know say that last time I give am wetin city girls no fit give am.
Jesus. Now go kill this man though.
And you know say we finish, he can't double my money.
You speaking. You want the person became with that too.
See, as for me, Lizzie baby, I don't arrange two guys, you know now. Me and I will go to parole this night. But I know get as I do their time, so I no go collapse. See, you don't get.
Hey,
I mean that Lizzie baby
for sure.
Yes. As
for me. Hey. I don't dey like Papa Clean too, so.
What?
Yeah. Oh. Yes, now. The guy told say he love me. He won't come out with me, and we won't even date on top of the matter.
Yeah, super love.
You really want to date him?
You don't go keep us speaking now.
Yes, now. I don't tire to the waka from one guy to another. I really want to hold one person. At least by then, everything go settle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, yes. I think she's right. If a guy can take care of your need, there's no need of jumping from one guy to another.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Besides, we'll be leaving the secondary school very soon. And so, we all need to correct all our mistakes to be a better person.
Baby, make I hear what?
I wonder, oh.
See, I can't believe both of you.
Who prince give you now?
Nobody. What's not the yarn?
Yeah.
See, we are saying the truth, oh. You guys should better listen.
Yeah.
But wait, man. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Have mercy on us.
Man, ask yourself, wetin do our lives? Wetin do am? This one wey you dey live na life.
Ask them.
This one wey you
Rita,
dey live.
Rita, respect yourself.
Wait, man, yarn
finish.
More than wait, hold on. More than wait, man, yarn finish. This one una dey do na life. They go dey inside class, una go dey one koro dey smoke.
See who dey talk o.
Una go dey one koro dey drink.
She dey talk
na. Koro for this una know.
See, make I hear word. See, make I hear word. You no dey tell me.
You just keep quiet. You no go say anything.
Wetin dey happen? See, if you know wetin dey worry.
Babe, you don't do.
This one and die this matter. One and die this. In fact, make this matter rest in peace. Which one I don't drink? How many bottles on I take for here? When they shack on her, eh?
They talk nonsense.
When I rest that matter, babe.
See, Rita, better respect yourself. Wetin you say?
Inside all yourself when I want to watch this now, not smoke again.
Wetin dey happen?
Not smoke again.
Wetin you smoke? I beg come up for there. Wetin I dey?
Come up for there. Waiting. Drop your out. I don't drop out. No, continue. Continue for myself. I don't want again.
I beg, blood give am. You dey sweeten this girl dey yarn.
I wonder. If their boyfriend not pay them again, now we want them. When is our face?
They want use us clean yansh.
Who their present?
They not say correct guy cash. They abeg, wait the lights at me. Wetin dey do? Abeg, wait.
Abeg, light on.
Wetin dey do there?
So what do you want?
Good girl. You know what I want?
Why not say that?
You.
I don't think it will be possible.
Do you want the mark or not?
Yeah, I really want the mark, but right now, I am in my monthly flow. And what if I get you a girl?
No, I don't.
A virgin.
What? A virgin.
Come to think of it, about this Amaka and Jude issue, I'm really tired. See, those girls are very dangerous.
The beating that Grace beats me that very day. I swear I will never as in if you see the kind slap I received from that girl first.
I see, and I know see how this fight starts now. I run, no, babe, because if my dad find out that I am fighting over a guy, my career don't finish.
I don't feel die for love. Me, I not see person wey love me. I don't feel can't die for person, no.
See, this issue is getting worse. It's getting out of hand. Those girls don't want to give up on Jude. So it is best Amaka give up. If truly they are meant to be, maybe with time they can continue their relationship. We are in just secondary school now. Haba.
As for me, things that concerns Amaka, Bovia and Jude, don't zip my mouth.
It'll be only you.
Not to
because if
me.
my papa find out.
Actually, I'm going to Compounder's place. I don't know if you can follow me there.
To do what?
To take some novels. I don't know if you can go with me.
Actually, I'm on my way to get milk for my mom. I don't think I can go with you.
I promise you, if you follow me, that will give you one. Please, meow. I will not take your time, just to take the novel, then come back.
Where is Vivian?
I don't even know. I have not seen her, and she did not come to school today.
Are you sure? But it won't take long.
No. It's just to go there, take the novel, then we go.
Are you sure?
Yes. Good girl.
Grace.
I come to collect
the novel,
Mary, let me quickly pick something out there. I'm coming.
Okay, but don't take much time.
I will not. I'm coming right now.
Mary, how are you?
I'm fine,
Let's go inside now, so that I can select those novels out before Grace comes back. Let's find her.
Of work, oh? Who is this? Who is this person that will not allow his mother to rest? Hello? Hello? My daughter! My daughter!
Oh God, doctor me, my daughter, doctor me, Mary! Jesus! Oh Jesus! My daughter! Oh Jesus, God!
Lizzie! This early morning, what are you doing? Are you eating that you have to vomit like that?
I don't even know what is wrong with me. I don't know what is wrong with me.
Don't tell me you're pregnant.
I don't even know what is wrong with me. I've been feeling feverish. I don't even know what is wrong with me.
This early morning, you are vomiting already. So you mean you have been giving it to them free of charge? Free of charge.
I'm sorry.
Your friends. Doctor. My only child.
Please forgive me.
She had told me that she wanted to be a medical doctor. How will she achieve it now?
I'm sorry.
Mama, please
forgive me. Mama, please forgive me.
She told me she wanted to be a medical doctor. How will she be a medical doctor now?
Mama, I'm sorry. I brought him to the family. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, I'm sorry.
Please,
Abi?
Where's the place?
Stupid
Where's the
girl.
place?
Look what you take care of. She's not going to die in that place. Stupid nonsense. Stupid girl.
Where's the place?
You misbehave, I'll shoot you. Come on.
Who's here?
Where's that?
Come outside.
If you move.
Stay here. Mr. Man, what's going on? Are you Andrew?
Yes, I'm Andrew. Any problem?
You're under arrest. I am Inspector James.
Criminal.
And this Inspector. You're under arrest for molesting a young lady.
So you are the fool that raped my daughter. My daughter is giving me my home. You are the fool. You're going to die. No, the two of you are going to drown that person.